Guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I came to my terrace to see because it was getting very dark. So I thought maybe we might get some rain. So let's see. So you can actually see the clouds on my lot of clouds. We might get some rain today. Behind me you can see, I think I cannot zoom also. You can actually see the dark of where I'm pointing. They're fully clouds. So we might get some rain after like 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm excited and I might vlog in the rain and I might get wet and I want to get wet. They seem to move this direction like this, they are coming, the clouds. So we might get like 80% chance of heavy rain and 100% chance of drizzling. We will get rain, but we will not get heavy rain, I think. But I will come up and record. So yep, you cannot see, but it's very dark. I'll put the part 2 of this so I can record more, and I'll bring my another camera. This is my phone actually. So part 1 ending here. So stay tuned for the part 2.